Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check your device temperature on LENOVO G70-35 laptop. So you'll be able to find your device temperature by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Now go into Performance section, and here you'll be able to see the temperature of your GPU right here. So for me it's 38 degrees Celsius, and if you want to see more, if you want to check the entire temperature of your hardware, you'll have to install the program. So open up a browser and search for Core Temp application. Here is their official website, so it's all CPU Core Temp with one L, all CPU. And to download this application, just click right here. Let's close the net. Now open up an installation program that we downloaded. Click yes. And click next. Accept the license agreement. I'll select the folder to which you want to install the program. I'll go with the default directory. Now if you want to create a desktop shortcut for the program, leave this checkbox checked. I'll uncheck it. Now uncheck this checkbox because this one wants you to install some additional software which probably sponsors this program. And if you want to, you can install additional language packs by leaving this checkbox checked. I don't need it, so I will leave it unchecked. And then click next, install, next, and then let's uncheck this checkbox. We don't need README, and launch Core Temp. Finish. And as you can see here, we'll be able to check our current temperature, our minimum temperature registered by program, and maximum temperature. This is the temperature of our CPU, and I think it matches the temperature on our GPU because the GPU is integrated. Let's check it out. So let's go to Task Manager Performance, and as you can see, the GPU and the CPU temperature are basically pretty much the same. And so that's how you check the temperature on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.